What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Avalanche, which has pumped up over 30% in the last 24 hours and is currently trading at $18.52. But it hasn't been just pumping over the last 24 hours. Over the last few days as well, it has been gaining a decent amount of value. As you guys can see, over the month it has gained over 100%. So we're going to be looking at how high is this crypto going to go. Is it going to get past the $30-40 mark over the coming weeks? And is now the right time to buy it? Is it too late? Or if you're on a profit, is it time to sell it and take out your profits? Or is it simply time to hold on to it? That's what we're going to be going through, and also looking at its prediction over the long term, so going into 2024, what my predictions are, and is this a must-have crypto in your portfolio going into 2024. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price predictions, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart. This gives us the average value of Avax or Avalanche, which is here in purple at $12.93. However, it is actually trading at a much higher value here in red at $18.51, meaning it is performing very well and much better than expected. However, it does mean that it is overvalued, so there is a potential space for a little bit of a crash. But you know, the reality is it's cryptocurrency. It may just keep going up, or it may crash back down. That's what we're going to be going through later on in the video as well. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, as usual, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we are not looking too great. We do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, as you guys can see here, meaning an overall minimal drop in value is what is expected from Avalanche over the next 12 to 14 hours. So essentially towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I'm expecting Avalanche to have dropped back down to around $17 is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. Again, that doesn't mean it's going to go for a major crash or anything like that. It is going to be very minimal. But again, that does not also mean that it's going to stop pumping right now. Of course not. It's likely to pump up a little bit higher than where it is at the moment, potentially hitting about $20 over the coming hours before it slowly starts to drop back down just below $18 towards the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we're looking slightly bullish here. We've got the orange line heading towards a positive direction, looking quite bullish. However, the blue line is looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. One's looking bullish and one is looking bearish, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from Avalanche over the next 7 to 8 days. So let's say towards the end of next week, I am expecting Avalanche to be trading around its current price range of about $19 to $20. But again, that does not mean that it's going to be consistently staying at that price range over the next 7-8 days. Of course not. It is likely to pump up higher to around $23-24 over the coming days, so towards the start of next week, before it slowly starts to drop back down just below $20 towards the end of next week. So do expect it to be quite volatile up and down, but the overall outcome over the next week or so seems to be more on the neutral side. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks now, we are looking very positive. We've got the blue and the orange line both looking very bullish, going in a steep direction. This means that it is not realistic because it is looking way too steep, guys, and the reason why it's looking so steep is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last couple of days. The graph thinks that the crypto is going to keep going at that in that direction and at that pace as well, but again, that's not realistic. Over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so mid to late December, so towards the end of the year, I am expecting Avalanche to have gone for an overall increase in value, potentially heading past $30 is where I'm expecting Avalanche to be trading at towards the end of the year. But again, it could be way higher than that or lower than that, depending on how the crypto market performs, and to be specific, how Bitcoin performs. As you guys know, Bitcoin has a major impact on the crypto market, and I'm expecting Bitcoin to be heading over $40,000 as well over the next 5 to 6 weeks, so towards the end of the year, which should also have a positive impact on the crypto market in general, which of course involves Avalanche. Trading around $30 is where I'm expecting it to be at. But if you guys want regular updates on this crypto, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to keep you guys updated on a regular basis on Avalanche. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you guys can see, we are still trading in the red zone, and we've got quite a long way to head up to the resistance target here, which is $40.85, which I'm not expecting Avalanche to hit this year, but in the first half of next year, Avalanche should be able to break out from the resistance target and head into the green zone, meaning hitting $50 in Q1 to Q2 of 2024 is when I'm expecting Avalanche to be hitting $50 and heading into the green zone as well. But again, if there is a major crash or a bull run or a price pump, these things will have a major impact on when it hits the green zone. So let's get rid of the Fibonacci scale. Going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 100% in the last 24 hours, making it $1.2 billion in trading, which is a huge amount of money being traded on Avalanche, and also a massive increase in trading. As you guys can see, it is one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours according to Binance, the third top gainer, meaning yes, it is getting a lot of attention. A lot more buyers are interested in investing into the crypto, and a lot more people are also selling their cryptos, taking out the profit, so it's getting a lot of attention from both sides. But yeah, what I want you guys to do now is let me know in the comment section down below what is the highest figure you guys are expecting this crypto to hit in 2023 and in 2024. Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. If you guys have any other cryptocurrencies in mind that you guys want me to cover on this channel, make sure to comment them down below as well, and I'll be sure to go through your comments and do updates on whatever cryptocurrencies you guys want me to cover. But yeah, I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash the subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.